In this video, we'll cover creating manual orders. So let's assume that a customer has missed the cutoff date and they reach out and you're still willing to accept their order. Or maybe it's just an older customer who isn't too familiar with using computers, so you're willing to input the order for them. You'll come here to your orders page, and then we'll click on the green Create Manual Order button. And this is pulling up the menu as if you were one of the customers. So you can just come through and select whatever meals they wanted for that week. And we can go ahead and click next. Now, please note that you'll see that there is this free checkbox. This is not visible to the customer. This is only visible to you because we're logged in as the admin account. Also, when you click on the delivery day dropdown, you're going to be seeing every possible delivery day, whereas the customer are only seeing your selected delivery days. So you have a little bit more access here than the customer, but if you want to be consistent, you would just go ahead and select your normal delivery day. In my case, that would be Sunday the 8th. As always, from the customer side also, you have the option to make this a subscription or a one-time order. We could either add a new customer, and we can enter all of their information. Or if the customer already exists in the system, we can click here and start to search for them, and we can go ahead and pull them up. If they've already ordered with us in the past, it already has their credit card information saved on file, so we can go ahead and check out. Or if they're going to be paying you in cash, you could always click cash order. If it's a cash order, it will not be charging any credit card, and you could choose whether or not it emails the client. And finally, all I have to do is go ahead and click the checkout button. And that will go ahead and create a new order for us. Here you see I created an order for myself, Danny Alley. And if I double click on that, I can see all the details of the order, the remaining balance, since this was a cash order. And once Danny pays me, or I pay myself in this case, I could just come and click settle balance. And that's going to make sure that this now is marked as paid in full on my balance column. And then it'll make my balance show as 0. And if I scroll down, of course, I could see all the meals that were ordered.